I think it makes perfect sense to not only have somebody out on bail, but then to stack that with pretrial services where they also have to do drug testing, or they need to check in with a probation officer, or in this case, not a probation officer, just an intake service worker.
You're talking about pretrial hope.
But there's nothing wrong with stacking the two for public safety, right?
Except that you'd actually be punishing people before they had a trial. You'd be punishing them with the full range of probation violations before trial. You're just accused by some random person who says you did something wrong. And now you have to report when you need to report. You got to pee when they want you to pee. You got to show up when you need to show up. You got to take off work when you want to show up, when you take off. If you talk to police, just talk to them. You got to go tell somebody. So your life is no longer your own because someone made an accusation against you.
It goes back to personalization. You don't do that for everybody. Maybe you do that for the person who has an extensive rap sheet, 30 different arrests, 15 failures to appear, and now they're convicted, not convicted, but charged with a felony. Maybe in that situation, that's what you do, but not for the first time guy.
Right.
If you actually, maybe I'll put it up on the screen, but Beth Chapman actually had a page of modifications to the bail system. Really good common sense modifications. Like if you don't have a record, if it's a non-violent one, just let the person go.
Right.
Release them to appear. And
Right.
in some situations, it might make sense to just do like a summons where it's almost like a ticket. Like you don't actually physically have to arrest somebody, put them in, hold them for half a day, and then release them with that. Sometimes a summons might work.
Especially somewhere like Hawaii where it's the perfect place to do that because it's hard to get out of the state. Yeah.
If you're out on bail
Yeah.
and you're high risk,
Yeah.
why not also stack that with pretrial services?